चोरी से छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया।
Hey everyone, welcome back to Things Life Out of the Box. If you are new to this channel, then you are Ayushi. So I've come with part 2 series. You already read the thumbnail. So if you guys have not watched my part 1 series, just go and check it out. The link is in the description box. So today I am going to tell you what are all the essential things that we should keep with us, like me who are going to stay or who are staying in PGs or hostels. So for the more delay, let's start with it. And just to see one smile on my face. Please guys, if you like this video, do like my video and subscribe to my channel for getting more notifications. So let's start. So first point comes over here is toiletries, like Dettol, sanitizer, and then good product using of body wash, then shampoos, conditioners, face wash, mouthwash, tweezers. So these are the important things we should keep, and especially I will recommend all the girls to use bee wash. It is I think one of the best till now. It contains tea tree oil and liquid wash, which will prevent itchiness and dryness, and it balances your pH. So first point comes away toiletries. So next come is medicine, which plays a very important role. So you should keep medicine with you. Like the first prefer I will go with first aid. First aid you can get anywhere, like in medical stores also you can get it. Then cough drops, then you will get fever and cold tablets. These are the common medicines. And then come with allergy medicines and then vitamin tablets. So these are the very important things. And also in this pandemic situation you should keep your sanitizer, masks, and all the small things you should keep. Next come is documents. Keeping documents with you guys is also very important, like student ID proof, Aadhaar card, then again comes with birth certificate, then passport. So these are all very important things you should keep with you. Is electronic gadgets like laptop, iPad and battery pack, then earphone, headphones, then your pen drives if needed, Bluetooth boxes, that small ones are coming, and your mobile phone charges, and of course Android phone. The next come with is stationery things. So what are all stationery things like notebook, pens, all these small things, like if you are doing some arts, all the stationery is like painting like painting copy, then paintbrush, then highlighters, staplers, scissors. These are all comes into the stationery things. Yeah guys, for today this much only, and take care for yourself first. These are the small things but very important things in this pandemic situation. You should be very hygienic, keep hygienic your room, keep extra masks and use masks wherever you go outside, and also keep sanitizer with you guys. Wherever you go outside or come to your room, use this sanitizer. And hope so you all will like this video and very helpful. So if you like this video and very helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So coming with part 3, for that stay tuned guys, and so till that, cheers up, have a great day, have a wonderful day, enjoy your life and be positive every day. Thank you so much. Bye.